Hey guys. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Messenger video call audio issue on an iPhone running iOS 18. So, let's get started. First, check your volume and speaker. Make sure your iPhone volume is turned up. And during the call, tap on the speaker icon to ensure audio is not muted. Also, if you have any Bluetooth devices connected, for example AirPods, please disconnect them, as audio may be routed there. Next, check microphone permissions. Go to Settings, scroll down and go to Apps, and search for Messenger and tap on it. Then make sure the microphone toggle is turned on. Without this permission, your voice won't be transmitted during calls. Now try restarting the app and your device. Close the Messenger app from the background, then restart your iPhone. This helps fix temporary glitches affecting Messenger call audio issues. After that, check for updates. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for Messenger, and install any available updates. Outdated versions can cause sound problems. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. A poor network can cause audio delays or no sound during video calls. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. If the issue still isn't fixed, reinstall the app. Delete Messenger, reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store, and allow all necessary permissions again. And yeah, that should fix the Messenger video call sound issue on iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.